Welcome guys. This is Crypto Talker right here, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to. I'll be showing you how to go through your candle, as the inside of a candlestick pattern. Okay, I'll be putting you guys through. So, I'll be showing you guys some practicals on the candlesticks, the candlesticks inside bar. Okay, both the bullish side and the bearish sides. Okay, so before we get started, if you have never signed up for a Binex account, kindly click at the link in the comment section to sign up right now. Okay, so guys, you know what we're talking about here, how to make money from trading cryptocurrencies. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Okay, so here we have inside bar candlestick pattern. Okay, inside bar candlestick pattern form, as you can see it over here. Sorry, as you can see it over here. Okay, so buyers came, they move it up. Buyers came, move it up to the area of preference, so they took it up. And sellers, they came over here. And they brought it down. They brought it down. As you can see it, reached the area of preference, and area of conf- con- confluence area of confluence sorry area of confluence, and it came down. So sellers, you can see sellers are in control. Trend came down and sellers are in control. They brought it down. Okay, so you can come over here, the same thing. So sellers came over here and they brought it down. They brought it down to area of confluence. They brought it down to area of confluence. Okay, and buyers came and they brought it up. You can see over here this bullish candlestick over here, this over here. So as it came, buyers came, they brought it, and as they bought, and they brought the price up, or they brought the price. So the buyers are in control over here. They took control over this pattern. I'm showing you guys right now. Okay, so basically, let's see. Okay, so this is where the high and the low of the candle are contained within the high and the low of the previous candle. Okay, so the upper trend, which is the upper trend. Okay, the price fell to make a higher high candle, meaning you have a loss of momentum from the buyer in the market, and you can trade this as an early signal by of buying no longer in complete control of the moving trend directions. Okay, that is for the upper trend which I show you guys. So down to the lower, the downtrend. Okay, price failed to make lower low candle. Okay, meaning you have a loose of momentum form. The buy the sorry not the buying from the sellers in the market, and you can trade this as an early signal of selling, no long in complete control of a moving trend direction. Okay, just as I showed you guys over here. So you can see it. You can see this this is up this is the trend, uptrend. Okay, this is uptrend which buyers came over here, they bought, and sellers came over here and took control. They brought it down. I can see over here the downtrend, which sellers came and brought it down, and buyers took control and pushed it back up. Okay, they reversed it back up. Okay, so let me show you guys an example. Sorry, let me show you an example of this. Okay, so let me just see. Okay, so this is it. This my trading view. I'll be using the trading view to show you guys an example. So I'm under BTC futures. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys. You can see it over here. You can see it over here. Okay, you can see it over here. Where the buyers came, they pushed it up. Buyers came and pushed it. And you can see the long. You can see the long wick over here, which the sellers came as it was shown, and the price came down. The price came down to this level. Okay, it came down. You can see the signal over here where the sellers came, and they dropped it down, drop it down to this level. Okay, and also for the, let's see, let me show you guys, and you can also use this as an example, but it's not good enough. So let me see. Okay, so we have it over here, as you can see. So let me just make it over here, where you can see where the sellers came, they pushed it downward to this level, okay. And we have the sellers, sellers came and they pushed it up. As you can see, the level it took, I can see this big bullish over here. Okay, this big, and it came up. When the price came up, sellers were in control. They came up to this point, and it was still going up. You can see it was still going up till it reached this point over here. Okay, till it reached this point over here. Okay, so this is a 1 day trade. So you just look on it. So you can see it over here. We're showing over here. So these the things we have to know about the candlestick. As I did, I also showed you guys the different type of candlesticks. So I'm just using this as an example to show you guys under BTC. Okay, so let's head back. Okay, so let me show you guys another example of this. Okay, so this is it. Okay, sorry. Here we have it. This is a consecutive shrinking candlestick pattern. Okay, so here we have it. So it showed a three bullish. So you can see it over here. Three bullish. So where it went up, the buyers took it up. They took it up, and it passed the other area of conference over here. Then the sellers pushed it down. It came down. So the price came down. It came down. Sellers were in control. They were in control of the market at that time. Okay, they were in control of the market. Over here we have we have the same example but under bearish. Okay, so okay, you can see sellers were in control. Okay, they were selling and it was going down. So it was going down. Then we have this over here, the bullish. Okay, which it passed the area of confluence over here, and the buyers took control. They took control. The buyers were in control. It went to the highest height. Okay, buyers were in control. Okay, so okay, so the uptrend over here, which I showed you guys, it shows a loss of momentum lose from the buyers in the market, because the distance traveled per candle is shorter and shorter, and it and is an early signal of the buyer losing control over the current market trend direction. Okay, which I showed over here. So the downtrend, it shows a lose of momentum. Okay, lose from the sellers in the market, because the distance traveled per candle is shorter and shorter, and is an early signal of the seller losing control over the current market trend. Okay, which is over here. So let me show you guys an example of this. Okay, let's head to our trade view. Let's head to our trading view, sorry. Okay, view. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys right now. You guys, you can see it over here. So let me just show you guys an example. As I said, Let me show you as an what I mean. Okay, let's use this. You can see it over here. Okay, so buyers took it up. They took it up over here. Then the sellers came down. You can see that thread, and he pushed it down. Sellers were in control. They pushed it down to this level. So that's basically what we are talking about. Okay, they pushed it down. The sellers were in control at a point over here. Okay, or they were in control over here. So let me show you the uptrend. Okay, let me show you the uptrend. Okay, okay, so we have it over here. Let's see. Okay, so sellers came and pushed it down. They were pushing it down over here, pushing it. Then the buyers came, they pushed it up. They pushed it up where, as you can see, it went up. The buyers still tried to push it down. You can see the level where they pushed it over here, the area of the area of influence. Okay, where they pushed it over here, it passed the area of influence. Then the buyers with the big bullish over here, the buyers took control. They took control, and it came to this height, and it was still going. It was still going, and it's still going till now. It's still going till now. Okay, so you can see it. So that's basically what I'm trying to show you guys over here. Okay, that's basically what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about over here. Okay, so guys, you just have to go through these steps, go through the understanding. I'll have so many types of candlesticks which I showed you guys in the last video on how to go through with it. Okay, so you just have to go understand them, understand, they go through the pictures on and the names on which I explained to you guys, and understand on how to go how to study your candlesticks. Okay guys, so this is all we have this project. So I'll be showing you guys more info about candlestick in the next video. Okay guys, so this is the end of this video. If you like this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Okay, and so guys, my WhatsApp link will be posted in the comment section. All you have to do is just click on it to join the WhatsApp community. In case you have any question to ask, so you ask and we can solve it together. And also, we'll be dropping more updates over the WhatsApp link. So I would like to know where you're watching from. Are you in Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, US, Uganda, UK? Let me know in the comment section below. I will see you guys in the next video. This is Crypto Talker here.